Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang tungkol sa tourist arrivals dito sa Pilipinas. Foreign tourist ha. Nako, medyo malungkot na balita. Dahil tinalo tayo ng Cambodia when it comes to tourist arrivals for the first 9 months. Post ni E.B. Hugalbot, isang magaling na DDS social media influencer. Okay, Unloved Philippines, title niya. Cambodia has already overtaken us last quarter in terms of foreign tourist arrivals, while most of our ASEAN neighbors have already fully recovered, some even surpassing their pre-pandemic levels. Most of ASEAN are seen to fully recover to pre-pandemic foreign tourist arrival levels by mid-2025, except the Philippines. And we all know the reason why. According to Bilyonaryo, may Bilyonaryo.com na balita. Bakit ang ibang mga ASEAN countries by middle next year maibalik na yung tourist arrival nila pre-pandemic? Nung hindi pa pumutok ang pandemic, mataas po ang bilang ng mga foreigners traveling iba't ibang bansa. Ganon din ang Pilipinas, mataas ang ating mga foreign visitors noong una. Pag tama ng COVID, ayan, bumaba. So, tapos naman ang COVID, our ASEAN neighbors, nakaka-recover na, mabilis ang pag-recover. By next year, middle of next year, lahat ng ASEAN countries, babalik na yung dating sigla ng turismo. Yung malalampasan na nila ang bilang ng yung parang walang nangyaring pandemic. Habang ang Pilipinas, mahina ang ating tourist program recovery. By 2027 pa, according to estimates, by 2027 pa, babalik yung pre-pandemic levels ng dumarating na turista. Okay, stop. According to Bilyonaryo, the Philippines will likely fall short of its tourism target, with visitor arrivals expected to return to pre-pandemic levels only by 2027 at the earliest, due to the slow recovery in travelers from China, a key source of tourists, according to Licho Property Consultants. Bago nagka-pandemic, ang pinakamalaking source ng turista na bumibisita sa Pilipinas galing China. Ngayon, pag-upo ng Marcos administration dahil sa kanyang foreign policy na kumiling sa US, naging alyado na ng US, kinalaban ng China, ito, merese, na karma. Kakaunti na ang mga Chinese tourist na pumapasok sa bansa. Yun po ang dahilan kung bakit mahina ang tourist arrivals natin. Okay. So, ito, sinerch ko rin, meron talagang article, VN Express Travel News, foreign news ito. Ang title is, Cambodia surpasses Philippines in foreign tourist numbers. Pero mo, tinalo na ta. Although, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Cambodia. Gusto kong puntahan. Kaya lang, hindi po matatalo ang ganda ng Pilipinas. I tell you. Napakaganda ng ating bansa. Hindi ko ipagpapalit ang ganda ng ating bansa. So, bakit kakaunti ang It's because of leadership, yung management. Basahin ko. Cambodia welcomed 4.8 million foreign tourists. 4.8 million foreign tourists in the first 9 months of this year, marking a 22% year-on-year increase, while the Philippines attracted only 4.08 million visitors. Tingnan nyo? Nalampasan tayo ng Cambodia. Okay, ang number 1 po sa Southeast Asia is Thailand. Thailand topped the list of foreign tourist arrivals to Cambodia. Okay, taga-Thailand pala ang bumibisita sa Cambodia. From January to September with 1.52 million. Ang Chinese visitors sa Cambodia is 607,000 tourists. Okay, sa Pilipinas, ganito. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, the Philippines received 8.2 million foreign visitors, while Cambodia has only 6.6 million visitors. So, talo natin ang Cambodia before the pandemic. Kailan, alam nyo naman, before pandemic, panahon ng Duterte, maganda ang kanyang foreign policy, lalo na ang China, ang daming Chinese bumibisita sa atin. So, ulitin ko before pandemic, 8.2 million foreign tourists ang bumisita sa atin. Samantalang Cambodia is only 6.6 million. Okay. However, the Philippines tourism industry is now struggling to meet its goal of 7.7 million tourist arrivals by the end of this year. Nahihirapan tayo. Hindi, September, 4.04 pa lang. October, November, December, 3 months na lang. Yung target nga 7.7 million tourists, hindi kaya. Okay? Tingnan natin Okay, ito. Before the pandemic, China was the second largest source of tourists to the Philippines with over 1.7 million Chinese visitors in 2019, panahon ni PRRD. Wala pang pandemic. However, Chinese arrivals have remained at around 20% of pre-pandemic levels with only, ilan? 263,000 Chinese visitors visiting the Philippines in 2023. Kita nyo? 1.7 million tourists noong 2019. Last year, only 263,000. Bakit? Foreign policy diskarte. Number 1 market mo, kinakalaban mo. Yun po ang mga kadahilanan. Okay? Ano pa? So, ang tourism kasi, ang laki ng income natin dyan. Yung, sabi nga ni candidate BBM, alala ko nung nangangampanya pa ang kandidatong BBM, how will you, tanong ng si Boy Abonda, paano mo i-revive ang economy post-pandemic? Dalawa yung ano niya sabi niya, agriculture at saka tourism. Ganon ang maalala kong sagot ng candidate BBM. Paigtingin niya ang agriculture. Kumusta ngayon ang agriculture natin? Kumusta ang mga farmers? Lalong kawawa. Lalo na yung Executive Order number 62 na pinalabas nila. Binabaan nila yung taripa ng imported rice. Bumaha ang imported rice sa merkado. Sinong naapektuhan? Mga farmers.